Okay, so this is our YouTube channel. Whoever not subscribed, friends, subscribe it, because whatever videos I'm updating, you guys will get what is that update from there, right? Every videos, as well as in the future, maybe like all technology, whatever Java supported technology, as well as what is that, if you want to become good software engineer in the Java technology, everything you guys will get from the architect technology. Like we are working on that, right? Just like you guys are like, just you guys are like facing me only, right? In the architect technology, don't worry about that, right? So many peoples are there, like who is the working in different streams also, right? Because our architect technology is not giving, architect technology is giving 6 engineering college is there, right? And just near about 4 like bachelor degree, like BCA kind of things, BSc IT kind of things is there. Those colleges are there who is providing the, like who need summer project training, right? But we are taking from them money, because we, if we not take the money from those students, right? Because our contact is there with the teachers only, there, that engineering college teachers, right? They only giving us student for the summer project training, for the certification. Architect technology is registered on MSME, friends, okay? It's not meaning that I'm not taking the money from you people, but I'm paying the tax for the architect technology every year, right? So our,
Yes, sir.
yeah, so our architect technology is registered on in MSME. It's not like a fraud kind of things we are doing here, right? So just believe on ourselves, and even our Modi ji is there. If we do anything mistake, right, they took our life in the jail only. So I don't want to take the risk for anything if I'm doing anything.
Okay, Ravi.
Yeah. So this is the architect technology. Satish Kushwaha pasted like architect technologies URL in the chat box, friends. Okay. So if anybody is not subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe it. I think my net is slow. That's why I'm not able to open our architect technologies page.
Yes, sir. Even voice is also breaking.
Voice also breaking.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I think
1 minute.
side of me.
Now also voice is breaking. Everything is fine, friends.
A little bit, Ravi.
Voice
But not
is
that much.
Sir, your voice is not breaking.
Okay, fine, friends. Okay. So
No, it's fine. Really.
now fine,
Perfect,
right?
sir. Perfect voice.
Now it's fine.
Okay, so Spring Boot Web MVC need, friends. Okay, good knowledge of Spring Boot MVC, as well as what is that. Or if you won't have the knowledge on Spring Boot MVC, right? If you won't have knowledge on Spring Boot MVC, if you have the knowledge on Spring, simple Spring also, don't worry. In whenever I will explain the project and the flow, at the time that much I will touch, that much things I will touch, but don't think about that everything I will touch. If you won't have knowledge on is Spring Boot Web MVC, don't bother about, right? Don't bother about. Just if you have the knowledge on, if you have the knowledge on Spring MVC, that is also fine for me. But MVC, right? MVC, but good knowledge I need. If you have the knowledge on Spring Boot MVC, that is the like good for you people, as well as for me also. But if you won't have the knowledge on Spring Boot MVC, don't bother about. If you have the knowledge on Spring MVC, that is also fine for me. Okay, I will touch that much. Anyone can start the work on project, right? So okay, so to whom this project is suitable, friends? Okay, to whom this project is suitable, right? So freshers, freshers means zero experience, right? Zero experience, right? Zero experience. 2, in my point of view, I'm giving what is that? 3+ years. If the people is maintaining what is that? 3+ years. 3+ years of experiences. For those people, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Freshers, right? For those people's, right, this project is fine, right? This project is fine. And okay, so which project I'm going to lead it here now? Which project
Project management.
yeah, so means what is the domain of project, right? What is the domain of project? What is domain? Domain. What is domain of project, right? What is domain of project? Project domain is product management. Product management, right?
Management.
Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
so like this is the product management domain, friends, right? But what is our this product management having lots of modules, right? So but in which project we are going to work, right? So our project will be,
Sir, your screen is not shared.
my screen is not shared.
Yes.
Share, sir. Share.
No,
Shared.
it's perfect, sir.
It's
Perfect.
visible.
Screen is visible.
Okay, so this project, right, to whom this project is, like what is the project? Our project is logistic inventory management. Our project is what is that? Logistic inventory management. What is the domain, friends? Product management, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Our project domain is product management, but it's a part of what is that? Logistic inventory management is the part of our what is that? Product management, right? Project. Clear?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so if I'm taking the continuously session, friends, okay, every day morning 1 hour, right? So duration, if if we taking the session like that, then duration will be 3 months. 3 months, right? If I'm taking, it means every day 1 hours, right? 1 hours, right? So 1 hours. So if I'm taking like this session, then our session will be there, friends, Monday
3 months.
to Friday.
Sunday.
Monday to Friday, I will take the project session every morning, because in the weekend I will start different things, right? Different technologies. So for that purpose, I need to little bit prepare also, right? Because here, see, boss, if I'm not prepared myself, right? See, I'm not hiding anything, right? So because if I'm not prepared myself in the weekend, because if I'm starting the different technology, right? So I already experienced on them, right, on that subjects, friends. But still, if I'm facing, because in my session, right, everyone having the experienced people only joining our session. If I teach anything wrong, here, people will catch it or not. The people will tell, oh, he is like making us fool, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
So
Yeah, Ravi.
so for that purpose, I need to see once, right, the concept before the starting the session. Because of that, our project, if I'm taking the project session every morning, right, 7 o'clock, or any the people is some people is saying that 7:30 is fine for me, like that the people given their inputs, right, in the group. So I will take the project batch every day morning, Monday to Friday only. and Saturday, Sunday, I will take different technologies. I will lead different technologies. Okay. So fine. So this is the plan and this is the duration will be there, friends. If I'm taking the session every day, Monday to Friday. After then, what is that? After then, how many tools I'm going to cover as well as use in the project. Those tools I'm listing out here, friends. Okay, tools.
Okay, Ravi.
Tools, right? I will use Maven. I will use Maven STS tool as well as debugging, debug process,
Okay,
debug process, log4j. After then JUnit. After then Git,
that tool.
GitHub. After then Agile. Agile with Jira.
Postman.
Agile with Jira. Okay, Postman. Okay, Postman. Yes. Right? These
Docker.
Docker and all those things I will not take. Okay, just a Docker deployment we are not going, but don't worry. If let's say start with these things, because in the project these things I will use, these things we will use in the project. Yes, at the development phase, because we are the developer, right? So Maven, STS,
Yes, friends.
debug,
Yeah.
log4j, JUnit, GitHub, because to submitting the code and assigning the ticket, as well as like a Jira and Agile, right? Basic things need one developer, these things, right? So first we will start it. Deployment and a Docker is after completing that project in the deployment side we need, right? So at that time we will think about that, right?
Okay, Ravi.
So, okay. So in the Spring Boot, right? In the Spring Boot project, in in this project, what kind of like concept we are going to use it in the project? I'm listing out those things, friends. Okay, I'm listing out those things. So concept I'm going to use. Concept I'm going to use. Spring Boot concept I will use it. What is that? Like data JPA I will use. Please switch off your camera. Someone is switched on. Right? Data JPA. Data JPA I will use.
Sir,
After then,
DB, which one you will use? MySQL or DB2 or
MySQL.
that's
Okay.
fine.
Okay. So here WebMVC I will use. After then front end, for the front end I will use the technology theme leaf. After then HTML. After then CSS. After then JavaScript and jQuery, right? JavaScript and jQueries. Queries. What is the query, right? jQuery, right? QUERY. Okay,
Yes, sir.
whatever. Okay, right? So bootstrap and bootstrap, right? Bootstrap. And in the project, just we completed in the microservices also, right? Security, right? After then, what is that? Next, what I will use? REST. Okay. After then, what is that? Already I covered. People are remembered or not? Message queues.
Yeah, Ravi, I was telling you.
Message queues. message queues. After that, batch processing is still I did not explain. Don't worry. Before implementing the batch processing, I will explain first what is that. Batch processing, then we will implement, right? Batch,
Yes, Ravi.
batch API. Okay, these things we are going to use, right? These things we are going to use in the project, friends, and these technologies, right? These technologies we are going to use it. Okay, fine now, friends. So only, friends, okay, don't think about that. Ravi will provide the certificate of also this project. Oh, I'm not going to provide any certificate, right? Only subject I will provide, right? Only subject.
Okay.
Only subject. Okay, no certificate. No certificate, right? No certificate. And see, now the people initially when our session was started, at the time only the people having the doubt, right? So all right, all document, all document and a code and a code and a images, right? Images, only soft copy. Only soft copy, right? And I will provide what is that private Google class drive. Clear, friends? Hmm?
Okay, Ravi. Yeah, Ravi. Clear.
No recording session, no YouTube videos, friends. Okay, no recording session, no YouTube videos. Okay, if you people are thinking about that, yeah, I will provide the videos on YouTube, forget about that, because if I'm putting the things every day, if I'm taking the morning, right, I won't bother about that how much you guys are busy. I don't think at all, right? If I'm telling that I need update about that today EOD night, or like EOD till 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. Okay, I will check, like I will reach to everyone. Okay, I will check it who's doing the work on that project, because see, only one way interaction is there, then that is not fine, right? If you guys are putting also their effort, right, at least see, boss, I'm not thinking about the life. Once if you guys are whoever is struggling in their life, once that people is like stable there and stable their career, right, at least the people will tell, right, in any point of time, okay, someone is there who helped me in my career growth today because of that person. Like I'm not saying that their effort also there, but if I'm helping them, and even if I strict here, right, then their career will grow, and the people one day definitely that person will recall, right, Ravi is helped me, because of that I like reached today here, right? So I want these wording from you.
Yes, Ravi.
Because of that, if I write directly, don't bother about, I will not show the mercy and all those things, friend. Okay, if I said that today implement it to, I will check it, I will check it. Okay, even I will available for you people. Okay, if anybody is stuck in the project, not for other things, friends, if I explain any concept, if the people is stuck about that, definitely I will one to one also I will help them. I will share the Zoom meeting. Okay, where did you did the mistake? Those mistake I will resolve it. But the thing is the how much the person is dedicated and how much the person is listening our session. Right? So one more things, friends. By opening your brain, ears and nose and whatever things is there, listen the session, right? Because if you listen the session and if you build it, prepare yourself in the session only, right, after session whatever your time is there, right, in that time you can do another work, right? So don't think about that, let's listen